Welcome to Plain Techniques. This is your boy Champ, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add, subtract and multiply matrices using a calculator. Alright, if that sounds interesting, let's just hop into it. This is the procedure that we're going to follow in order for us to successfully add these two matrices. Alright, so you're going to press mode setup on your calculator. This is mode setup. I press it. Then if you want matrix here on the calculator, this is the number that you're going to press to get there. All right, this number will take you to matrix. So when you check on your calculator, there's 6 in front of matrix. You press 6. Okay, now you are on matrix form or page. There is matrix A, matrix B, matrix C. That is reflected on your calculator. These are memories, available memories, that which you can store any kind of matrix that you want to add, subtract, multiply, or do anything. All right, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna choose matrix A, or decide to use this available space for matrix A and save this data. All right, for matrix A, let's do that. I press 1. Okay, now this is the order of a matrix that which you selected. All right, so this is a 2 by 2 matrix. Therefore I'm going to press 5 because 5 represents 2 by 2 matrix. I press 5. Now when you're on this page, you can enter the elements, enter them just the way they are. You press 2. If you want to move to the next and enter the other element, you press equal sign. Therefore you press 4, equal sign, 7, equal sign, 3, equal sign. Therefore you press AC, all right, to save. It means you have successfully saved this matrix. Now let's do the same for matrix B. You press mode setup, you press 6, you press what? You have to press 2 or 3, okay? Because I've already used the memory for matrix A. Okay, should I use the memory for matrix A again to enter the data for B? Okay, I will replace or erase the data that I've entered for A. Okay, so I do not want to erase the data I've entered for A. That is why I'm going to use option 3 or option 2. Okay, so for simplicity, let's use matrix B to save this matrix. So I'm going to select 2. Now, this is a 2 by 2 matrix. Therefore, you choose 5 for 2 by 2 matrix. This is where you enter your elements. So let's enter the elements just the way they are. 5, 8, 1, and 0. Okay, then you press AC to save the matrix. Now we have successfully saved matrix A and matrix B. Okay, so how do we access the saved matrices on this memory of the calculator? You press shift, okay, and you press matrix. This is 4. You press 4 for matrix, and here if you check, there is 3 that represents or shows matrix A, and 4 it's matrix B. So this is where we saved our matrices. So I'm gonna choose 3 for matrix A. 3. It will also show you here that you've chosen matrix A. Okay, then in this case we are doing addition of these two matrices, so I'm gonna press plus. Then I do the same for matrix B. So I'm gonna press 4. When I press 4, it shows me that I've really selected matrix B. Okay, so the whole concept was to add matrix A and matrix B, and this is what we have achieved so far. Then you press equal sign. Okay, so this is the answer when you add matrix A and matrix B. If you can't see properly here, just check it here at the bottom. Okay, because the shaded area sometimes you cannot see it clearly, so you just check the number here at the bottom. All right, so let's do the same procedure for subtraction of these two matrices. Let's do that. All right, let's just continue. I haven't erased the memory of this calculator, meaning that I still have matrix A and matrix B stored in this calculator. Now let's perform subtraction of these two matrices. All right, so let's access matrix A. Matrix A, you press shift and you press 4 for matrix. Then you select matrix A, which is option 3. There we go. Then I press subtraction sign because we are subtracting now. Okay, therefore I go look for matrix B. It's shift, then you press 4, then you press option 4 for matrix B. Option 4. Okay, this is what I wanna do. Therefore I press equal sign. All right, so this answer that I get here, see, -3, -4, 6, and 3. It's the answer when you subtract matrix A and matrix B. Let's wrap it up with multiplication of these two matrices, shall we? Hey, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more content. I would appreciate that. All right, let's continue. This is the last one. We are going to multiply these two matrices on this calculator. I still have matrix A and matrix B stored in the calculator memory. So let's access matrix A. Shift, then you press 4. To access matrix A, you press option 3. Then in this case, we are multiplying. Therefore, I press multiply. Okay, then let's go check or access matrix B. It's shift, then you press 4, then you press option 4 for matrix B. Option 4, equal sign. This is the answer when you multiply matrix A and matrix B. All right. We have reached the conclusion of our lesson today. I appreciate your time and thank you for watching. Cheers.